If you're not making $10,000 a month, stop scrolling. I'm gonna show you what I started doing to make $5,000 to $10,000 a month. Just to put it in perspective, that's $120,000 a year. And sadly, only 34% of Americans make six figures annually. And the method I'm talking about is called dropshipping. Before you say it's too saturated, a scam, or dead, let me show you the right way. Shopify allows you to send products straight from the supplier to your customers, so you don't need any inventory. First, you're going to want to find a problem-solving product that is also unique. You could do this by looking up Amazon must-haves on TikTok. Then you're going to start a Shopify free 14-day trial. And then you're going to go to Shopify App Store and look for ZenDrop. Then you're going to find the product you found before on ZenDrop. You're going to import the products you found on ZenDrop onto your Shopify store. And after customizing your Shopify store, it's finally time for advertisement. Lastly, you're going to want to use platforms like TikTok and Instagram to drive traffic to your website. You can do this by posting videos about the products consistently and show them how this product can make their lives better. If you want to learn exactly how to do this, DM me on Instagram and I'll guide you personally.